everybody, Pearl and Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with day number 18 of our 2022 Advent Kit. This one is kind of like tall and it's a little bit squishy. What is it, Pearl?
I think it might be those foam thingies.
Oh, could be foam mounts. Let's find out. Rip her open. What's in there? Oh, it's a stencil. It's a beautiful stencil too. It's called Lavish. Just a gorgeous kind of floral background stencil, which is great for card makings and making beautiful backgrounds on your scrapbooking papers. Thank you so much, Pearl, for showing us what was in day number 18. We'll be back tomorrow with day number 19. Bye!
Bye!